In a world where electric bikes often command prices well over $2,000, a quiet revolution is taking place. Today, we explore 40 remarkable e-bikes that are changing the game, all priced under $500. Each one tells a story of innovation, challenging what's possible in affordable transportation. Our journey begins with the Tokera KT100, priced at an astonishing $189.99. While most would expect significant compromises at this price point, the KT100 delivers a shocking 750 watts of peak power. In our real-world testing, this entry-level champion climbed steep city hills that challenge bikes costing 3 times as much. Its 36-volt battery isn't just adequate. It pushes range to 40 miles with pedal assist, transforming the daily commute equation. But raw power isn't everything. The Favoto at $197.99 takes a different approach, focusing on lightweight aluminum construction. Watch how this material choice transforms the riding experience. The bike responds more quickly, feels more nimble in traffic. When catching the last train home becomes a race against time, every pound matters. Then there's the Hikeep D11 at $199.99, introducing something revolutionary, a quad shock absorption system. While other manufacturers chase speed and range, Hikeep solved the biggest complaint about budget e-bikes: ride quality. In side-by-side testing on rough city streets, the difference is remarkable. This isn't just about comfort, it's about sustained daily usability. The Jasion EB3, also at $199.99, brings surgical precision to urban mobility. Its 350-watt motor might seem modest on paper, but the power delivery is beautifully calibrated. Watch how smoothly it navigates dense city traffic, maintaining perfect control at its 21 miles per hour top speed. This is intelligent engineering at work. AP Year A1 emerges at $219.97 with something game-changing: UL certification at this price point. Beyond the specs, this certification represents a shift in the industry. Budget no longer means cutting corners on safety. The anti-theft battery design and high-density foam seat show attention to real-world usage patterns. The sub-$250 category becomes even more interesting. The Q-Life City One at $229.99 introduces features we'd expect from premium manufacturers: front fork suspension, wider 2.1-inch tires for enhanced stability, and a UL2849 certified battery that extends life by 20% compared to standard cells. If you're finding these innovations as fascinating as we do, hit subscribe and the notification bell. We're constantly testing these affordable e-bikes in real-world conditions, discovering what's truly possible when engineering meets accessibility. VDL's electric bike at $239 completely reimagines portability. At just 40 pounds, it solves the last-mile problem for commuters. But here's what's truly clever. The 500-watt peak motor and cruise control system mean you never feel the compromise in capability. The Sapato KT100S at $249 pushes into new territory with its 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery system. Watch how this translates to real-world performance: 28 miles in pure electric mode, stretching to 50 miles with pedal assist. The two-gear system is particularly innovative, offering a power-saving mode perfect for new riders. Varun disrupts expectations again with their cruiser at $279.59 and folding model at $279.99. The 500-watt motor isn't the story here. It's how they've integrated advanced features like carbon steel frames and superior bike paint that resist daily wear. As we cross $300, the innovation accelerates. GoTrax Nano arrives at $292 with professional-grade components in a lightweight package. The ENGWE T14 follows with its multi-point shock absorption system and vacuum run-flat tires, technology typically reserved for premium models. Escute C100 and Vivi 26 both hit $299.99 from different angles. Escute focuses on urban comfort with its 26-inch wheels and 7-speed system, while Vivi pushes performance with a motor that peaks at 1,000 watt. This price point becomes a battlefield of engineering approaches. Funhang EBC1 enters at $299.99 with an ambitious goal, bringing 1,000 watt peak performance to the masses. But power isn't the whole story. The step-through frame design and 30-degree adjustable handlebar stem show deep understanding of diverse rider needs. EBKA Rossi matches that price while focusing on durability. The high-carbon steel frame and 4-point shock absorption system create a platform that's built to last. This isn't just about the initial purchase, it's about long-term value. The DYU D3F at $311.22 brings smart features downstream. Fixed-speed cruise control and regenerative braking showcase how budget e-bikes are embracing advanced technology. The aluminum alloy frame keeps weight at a remarkably low 41 pounds. As we approach $350, Jasion EB5 and Ancheer Hummer at $339.99 push boundaries further. Jasion's focus on customizable riding modes and Ancheer's 27.5-inch wheel design show how the affordable segment now caters to specific rider preferences rather than one-size-fits-all solutions. AP Year A3 rounds out our first 20 at $349.97, demonstrating how far we've come. Its 350-watt brushless motor and built-in removable battery system rival what premium manufacturers offered just years ago. The aluminum alloy construction and ergonomic design choices show that affordable e-bikes aren't just about basic transportation anymore. As we've seen, the sub-$350 category is rich with innovation, but the next 20 bikes push boundaries even further, introducing features and capabilities that challenge everything we thought we knew about affordable electric transportation. As impressive as our first 20 bikes were, the innovation in the affordable e-bike market reaches new heights as we explore the next 20 contenders. Each pushes boundaries in unique ways, transforming what's possible under $500. The Weirhi 499.2 watt-hour at $359 kicks off our next 20 with surprising muscle, a 750-watt peak motor that doesn't just look good on paper. Take it up a steep hill and you'll find it tackles 25-degree slopes with the kind of confidence usually reserved for pricier machines. The dual suspension system might seem like overkill at this price point, but spend 5 minutes on cobblestone streets and you'll understand why it matters. Ancheer's fat tire model at $369.99 is what happens when someone asks, why not? To off-road capability. Those 20 by 4-inch tires aren't just showing off, they transform sketchy trails into smooth rides. The 500-watt brushless motor peaks at 750 watt, and unlike some overeager siblings in this price range, it delivers power with the kind of refinement that makes you forget you're riding a sub-$400 bike. TotGuard 27.5 brings Shimano's 21-speed system to the party at $386.99. If you've ever found yourself either spinning wildly or barely moving on other e-bikes, this one's for you. The lockable aluminum suspension fork isn't just marketing speak. It gives you control over your ride feel, from plush comfort to efficient power transfer. Haybike Race Max appears at $389.99 with something clever: motor inhibitors integrated into the braking system. It's the kind of feature that makes you wonder why it isn't standard everywhere. The 48-volt, 12.5 amp-hour battery isn't just about range, it's about consistent power delivery when you need it most. HiKeep Coco 1.0 at $398.99 proves that 750-watt peak power can be sophisticated. Its power mapping feels less like an on-off switch and more like a well-tuned instrument. Whether you're navigating dense traffic or cruising open roads, it responds with surprising intelligence. If you're enjoying this deep dive into affordable e-bike innovation, hit that subscribe button now. Jasion CB1 arrives at $399.99 with some impressive battery tech. The 450 watt-hour system stretches to 45 miles of range through clever power management. The beach cruiser frame might look laid back, but there's serious engineering at work here. ActBest Race takes the stage at $429.99 with UL certified battery credentials. The fork suspension system doesn't just absorb bumps, it maintains tire contact when you need it most. That aerodynamic frame isn't just for looks. You'll feel the difference at higher speeds. Highland Nexus at $449.99 rethinks urban utility. The 500-watt motor and IPX6 rating mean rain won't ruin your day, while the enhanced lighting system turns night rides from nerve-wracking to natural. That step-through frame, it's not just about easy mounting, it's about making e-bikes accessible to everyone. Ask Go pushes boundaries at $459.99 with a 1,000-watt motor that peaks at 1,200 watts. But here's what's interesting. They've paired that power with hydraulic disc brakes that actually keep up. The full suspension system isn't an afterthought. It's properly tuned for the bike's capabilities. HeyBike Cityscape appears at $469.99, focusing on what matters for daily use. The 40-mile pedal assist range isn't just a number. It's engineered for real-world conditions. That swept-back handlebar position? Your back will thank you after the 100th commute. GoTrax Endura at $487.49 brings professional components to the affordable segment. The electronic anti-lock braking isn't just a feature tick, it's properly integrated with the 250-watt motor's power delivery. The 6061 aluminum frame keeps things light without feeling flimsy. As we approach the $500 mark, innovation intensifies. Motorcycle ERA combines a 720-watt peak motor with the kind of battery management usually found on premium bikes. The folding mechanism feels solid, not like an afterthought, and those fat tires provide genuine versatility. Bluebeco K1 at $499 introduces magnesium alloy construction, a material choice that pays dividends in both weight and durability. The 750-watt peak motor delivery is smooth, and that 50-mile range? It holds up even in hilly terrain. YVY H20 matches that price while pushing performance boundaries. The 1,000-watt motor peaks at 1,500 watts, but what's impressive is how controllable that power remains. The BMS Intelligent Energy System isn't just managing battery life, it's optimizing performance in real time. ActBest City Run proves size doesn't limit capability at $499.99. The 16-inch platform might look compact, but the UL 2849 certification and sophisticated shock absorption create a surprisingly capable urban warrior. It's like they took everything good about larger e-bikes and distilled it down to the essentials. Varun's Fat Tire Mountain e-bike brings adventure-ready features at the same price point. The 60-mile assist range isn't just marketing. It's backed by intelligent power management and a battery system that maintains performance even as charge depletes. The lockable suspension lets you optimize for either efficiency or comfort. AI Wargod focuses on lightweight performance at $499.99. At just 45 pounds, it's a welcome relief for anyone who's struggled with heavier e-bikes in walk-up apartments. The 7-speed system and aluminum frame create a nimble ride that doesn't sacrifice durability. The Icenwheel U5 at $503 pushes slightly beyond our price target, but brings some interesting innovations. The IPX6 waterproof rating isn't just about rain resistance, it's about building a bike that lasts through real-world conditions. The 2-3-hour charge time shows thoughtful engineering in the battery system. ACT Best Speedy rounds out our collection at $525.99, demonstrating where the market is heading. The 1,000-watt peak motor delivers power with surprising sophistication, while the 3-inch fat tires provide stability without the bulk of larger off-road rubber. The 5-level pedal assist system offers genuine customization rather than just different power settings. These 40 bikes tell a larger story about democratizing electric transportation. They're not just making e-bikes affordable, they're pushing innovation in unexpected ways. From sophisticated power management to thoughtful design choices, each model contributes something unique to the evolution of personal electric mobility.